Okay, this is the GreatStockPicks.com live trading chat room highlights from September 28th. Some real good stuff today. I'm going to go over a few calls from today. Foster Wheeler, FWLT, there's the symbol. These are 5-minute candles. You can see the opening candle right here. We call this using a method that we teach. Try to use an arrow to show you. Call this right here at 24.01. The worst case stop, 11 cents below. Never gets hit. Stop was right here, 11 cents below from 24.01. Foster Wheeler made it to 25.33. That's a $1.32 move from here to here on 11 cents risk that never gets hit. Real nice one today. Let's see. Oh, I got to share this one too. Monsanto. Okay, this thing has been just decimated. Here's a daily chart. Two days in a row just getting hammered, okay? Had a lot of members today say, hey, you know, what about Monsanto for a bounce? What about Monsanto for a bounce? And they would say, hey, what about here on FIs? And I just kept saying, I don't see anything, I don't see anything. But then, as it started to do, when it looked like this, as it did this push down in this volume, using a method I teach, I called this Monsanto, and actually was projecting the chart live to the room as it happened. But I called Monsanto at 47.61. You can see on this candle is where it hit. 47.61 entry, stop 11 cents below. The entry was probably right about, I don't know exactly there. Stop 11 cents below. Right here that never gets hit. And from 47.61, I'll scroll to the right now. Monsanto made it to 48.83, a $1.22 move in our favor. From here to here, again on 11 cents stop that never got hit. So a real nice way to end the day for some of our members in Monsanto. Just met all my parameters for a potential intraday bottom. And a couple other highlights. TIE, Titanium Metals, gave a real nice setup. We called this one right here. Not a huge move. 1964. The worst case stop was a dime below and never got hit. The worst case stop was right here, 1954. From 1964, this did make it up to 2018, so not a huge move, but you know, 54-cent move on about a dime risk. And again, I could go in. Everyone says, "Well, is that all the calls you made?" I could go into some other stuff from today. CVS, big gap up today. I liked it. Walgreens was ripping. You know, its sister stock, and I spotted CVS. This nice tight base here with the earlier high after this gap up. I said I like it over this base, 31.41. I think the worst case stop was 31.33, if I'm not mistaken, below that base. So an 8-cent risk, and you can see what happened when it broke the base. Not pretty quickly up to 31.60. So that's not a huge move, but there was plenty of volume there to take all you wanted. But it gave us a 20-cent move on like 7 or 8 cents risk. And as we teach, once we get a move away from our entry, we start paying ourselves, go to a break-even stop, so you have that can't lose trade. I know there was some other stuff today, but those are the highlights. And Foster Wheeler, Monsanto, TIE, all of those, you know, pretty much triggered and never looked back. So I love those free trades where you don't have to worry about it. Anyway, I'm going to quit babbling. We'll do another highlight video on Wednesday night. Have a great night.